bought these rally kits for the Xpulses, and we're wondering if we can actually fit the kits on ourselves because, save ourselves some labor costs and maybe have a good time doing it. Now, we've been working on our bikes for a long time and forever, and we've got the entire set of tools that you need to do this. So we're wondering if we can do it, and at the end of it, we'll give you a difficulty level and see if you can do it. See, we're very smart because we went dirt riding before doing this. We recommend that before you take your bike apart, you give it a nice wash, and we can't do it here, so. We've taken the ugliest part of the bike off, this whole number plate section, because you don't need it. It's going to go off-road all the time. And we've left the grab handle on because, when the bike falls, it's easier to pick it up, easier to pull it back out of wherever it's stuck from. The job continues! That ugly thing is off. Next step is to put those badass Maxxis tires on.
This is so wrong, but Chaco says it's right.
We should have got that little tool that takes the valve out and the valve thing out. We didn't have that, so we humped the tire. Nice. Adjustable suspension. Dun, ta-da. Everything's on finally. Last bits, the handlebar risers and the seat. So it's finally done, and it was, I must say, a lot of fun. We put everything on the bike. We put the handlebar risers, we've got the front forks, the new rear shock, the seat, the extended gear lever, side stand, everything. What took the longest and the hardest part of it was putting the Maxxis off-road tires on. Because the bead and the sidewalls are so hard that it took forever to get them onto the rim. Anyway, it's done. I'd give it a rating of about 7 out of 10 for difficulty. But finally, we have this beauty. Wait a minute, I forgot to tell you one thing. This is a 2-man job and sometimes a 3-man job to get this done. Okay, it's not bad, yeah? Get my feet on the ground. Yeah. On the stand. Ow. Okay, that's about it.
Okay.